Okay, this video is human proteins are 66% different than chimpanzees. So what this is about is they used to try to BS people saying that we're just like chimps, our DNA is only about 1.5% different. That was all BS based on a very narrow segment of the coding. And there's always going to be some overlap between all animals having similar, glycolysis, Krebs cycle, and mitochondrial electron transport. So there's always going to be some overlap. We have overlap with, any plant in some of these enzymes, for example. But they did something interesting here. They checked the proteins inside a cell, and this is called proteomics. And what they found was the difference between the proteins in a cell between a human and a chimp was 66%. That's a giant difference. And there's tons of other things that differentiate us from chimps. Our brain is more than 3 times as big as a chimp. Chimps are stupider than a dog. You can teach a dog its name and a few commands. It's very difficult to teach a chimp any language words at all. Okay, they even find that rats often do better than chimps in intellectual testing when they bring them into a laboratory. There's also orphan genes and a whole bunch of other different things, but I thought this was kind of funny. So here's the paper. The journal is Gene. It came out in May 2026. Title is How Similar Are Humans and Chimpanzees in Expressed Proteins as Estimated by Mass Spectrometry Based Serum Proteomics. Okay, so anyways, I thought that was a little funny.